Can you make real money playing games on your phone? JustPlay says yes, and technically, they're not lying. But there's a lot of context missing from that answer. Let me walk you through exactly what this app is, what it actually pays, and whether it's worth your time at all. So yeah, let's go. So what it is, JustPlay is a mobile rewards app. You download games, you play them, you earn loyalty coins, that's how they call them, and those coins convert into cash you can withdraw via PayPal or gift cards. It's free, no catch to getting started. There's like over 10 million downloads, 4.4 stars with over 1.5 million reviews. This is on Google Play. It's available here. The iOS version is even better rated. This launched in April 2025, though some reviews suggest Android still gets the better experience. And the business model is simple. Game developers pay JustPlay to drive installs and keep players engaged. JustPlay passes some of that revenue to you in the form of coins. That's the whole thing. Now, you're not earning from skill. You're earning from playing new games and watching ads, which is exactly what advertisers are paying for. Now, here's the part that trips people up more than anything else. The coins have no fixed value. You can earn 60,000 coins for watching an ad. It sounds amazing, right? But approximately 80,000 coins equals to $1, and that conversion rate can swing anywhere from 70,000 to over 100,000 coins per dollar, depending on the day, the game, and your country. All right. One user cashed out 2 million coins. So that's 2 million. And, well, they've got $1.91. So that's under $2 for 2 million coins. The app never tells you upfront how many coins a game will give you or exactly what those coins will be worth. You play. Coins will show up, and you find out what they're worth when you cash out. This lack of transparency is the single biggest complaint across every review platform, and honestly, it's fair. Playing for hours without knowing your effective rate, well, it can be frustrating. Now, real numbers from real users, most people earn from $1 to $2 per day with daily active use. That comes out to roughly $30 to $60 per month. Some reviewers report $10 to $30 a month with casual use, and the hourly rate across independent tests lands at $1 to $7 per hour, with most people falling in the $1 to $3 range. The higher end only happens when you're hitting good offers or a first day bonus on a new game. Earnings also drop over time. The longer you play any one game, the fewer coins you earn per session. JustPlay pays you the most for trying new games because that's where their advertiser revenue comes from. Stick with one game for a week and your effective hourly rate will drop noticeably. No minimum withdrawal amount. You can cash out every 3 hours. PayPal payouts usually arrive within minutes to a few hours. That part actually works well. No waiting weeks, no chasing support, so that's good. Now, if you're going to use JustPlay, here's what actually moves the needle. First of all, use the first day bonus. When you sign up, JustPlay often doubles your coin payout for the first session. That's the highest earning rate you're likely to see. Make the most out of it. Second, rotate games regularly. Don't grind one game. Try a new one every session. That's how JustPlay's coin system is designed to reward you. New installs are worth more to advertisers than playtime on an existing game. Third, watch the ads. There's a dedicated ad watching feature inside the app. You click it, you watch the short ad, and you get coins. Based on multiple testers, this is often more efficient than playing games. Games are loaded with ads anyway. You might as well watch them in the right place and get paid for it. Fourth, check the extra offers section. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the app. There's a section most people never find with more transparent offers. Specific games where you know exactly what milestone pays what. These are typically higher effort, but also higher earning, and they're much clearer about what you'll actually get. Fifth, track your time, because the coin value isn't fixed. It's very easy to spend 2 hours earning something that converts to 40 cents. Write down how long you played and what you cashed out. Once you know your real hourly rate, you can decide whether it's worth continuing or not. Sixth, Always launch games from inside JustPlay. If you play a game without launching from the JustPlay library, your playtime doesn't get tracked and you earn nothing. Sounds obvious, but a lot of people miss it. Now, let's not skip this part here. The lack of transparency is real, and it's a genuine problem. Most reward apps tell you clearly, play this game to level 10, earn X amount of coins worth Y amount of dollars. JustPlay doesn't do that for most of its library. You're playing blind, and that's a frustrating way to spend your time. The ad load is heavy. Most games you play through JustPlay will show you an ad every 30 to 90 seconds, and that gets old fast, especially when you're already not sure whether the time is worth it. The coin conversion is unpredictable. Same game, same time played, different coin totals each session. Same number of coins, different dollar value than when you cash out. There's no way to plan or estimate your earnings in advance. Earnings drop off noticeably over time. New users get better rates. Long-term users see diminishing returns unless they keep rotating to new games constantly. It becomes a treadmill, always chasing the new game bonus, never building anything stable. Some reviews also flag coin credits not showing up after watching ads or completing sessions. Closing and reopening the app usually fixes it, but it happens regularly enough to, multiple reviewers flagged it independently. And the app is Android first. The iOS version exists now, but the experience is reportedly more limited with fewer available games and lower coin rates in some regions. So, is this worth it? Well, here's my honest take. JustPlay is legitimate. It pays. It pays fast. The process works. But the earnings ceiling is genuinely low. $30 to $60 a month with daily use, that's the realistic range for most people. Now, don't get me wrong. If you're commuting, waiting around, or just watching TV anyway and want to squeeze a few extra dollars out of otherwise dead time, JustPlay is fine for that. It's not asking anything of you that you weren't already doing. But if you're looking for something that compounds, something that grows or builds into anything meaningful over time, this isn't it. It's a loyalty program. It's coffee money. And if you go in knowing that, you'll be fine. Go in expecting more and you'll be frustrated within a week. All right? So that's my take on it. This is the honest version. And yeah, if you feel that this is for you, that you can just spend some of your time on the game, get around $50 a month, well, go ahead and, try it out and see how much you can earn. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.